guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, my daddy is going to install these new HIVIZ handgun sights that he got for Father's Day on his Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm. Then he's going to try them out and give you a review. So stay tuned.
So this is just the front sight only. Comes by default, green is installed, but it also comes with red and white light pipes. I'll probably change this over to the red one. I prefer the red. Should be fairly easy to install. Basically just have to tap the front sight out of this one and tap this one in. So let's try it. So quick safety check, because we do have to break the gun down. No magazine. Chamber is clear. That's easy. All right, I finally got the sight on. The installation did not go how I wanted it to. The original sight was real easy to tap off, and I could even tap it back on, no problem. But this sight did require some fitting and a little extra work. So just be aware of that if you pick up these sights. They may not fit exactly. So, but it looks good. It's got a nice big bright red dot on it. So yeah, let's go outside and shoot this thing. So that's what it looks like outside. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but that is really nice and bright. Yeah, I think that's going to work out real nice. Real easy to pick up the targets. Let's try it out. Well guys, I'm doing my best out here, but it's a really windy day and my target stand keeps blowing over. Yeah, the wind's really blowing, so it's making this harder than I thought. I think what I'll do is maybe do some of the drop plates, and we'll have to leave it at that for today. Okay guys, final verdict. It's way too windy to be shooting outside today. My camera keeps blowing over, the target stands are blowing over. So yeah, anyways, the sights are awesome though. I love that red dot. It's got a really nice contrast. It's very easy to get on the target. And yeah, I think I'm gonna shoot this gun a lot more. Anyways, if you do want to try the HIVIZ sights, I highly recommend them. Installation was a little tricky, so if you're not comfortable with that, you may have to take them to a gunsmith. But once you get them on, I think you'll like them. And yeah, so anyways, I'm out of here, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.